Today we're making Khao Piak Sun, which is a Lao Udon noodle soup. We'll start on the broth by adding ginger, galangal, and a few garlic cloves to a satchel or directly into the pot. Onion and chicken bouillon powder can be added for a different depth of flavor. In a large stock pot, add 3 pounds of whole chicken, the aromatics, and 5 quarts of water. Then season with salt and MSG if using. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. While that's going, we'll make fried garlic oil by crushing a whole head of peeled garlic cloves with a hefty pinch of salt. Then fry in a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat until it is golden and crispy. Make sure to skim off any impurities from the broth. Add a tablespoon of the fried garlic into the broth, and also a handful of cilantro stems if using. For the noodles, we'll mix together a whole bag of rice flour and most of a bag of tapioca flour, reserving about 1/2 of a cup's worth. Slowly add in boiling hot water. Carefully knead and work the dough until it comes together and is smooth. Then we'll shape and roll the dough before cutting it into strips, keeping in mind that they will expand once they are cooked. Cook the most of the noodles in a separate pot of boiling water. From the broth pot, remove the chicken and aromatics. Then add about a handful of uncooked noodles into this pot to help thicken the broth. Shred the chicken before returning it to the pot as well. Add the cooked noodles into the broth right before serving. Serve with your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy! For this full recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.